I'll show you again how I did it. This was the initial wash that I put on, which is cadmium yellow, a bit of raw sienna, and I've picked up a bit of ultramarine blue with a dirty brush, and I'm just putting that wash in. Now I'm adding a little bit more raw sienna to it. These are the light greens, because remember we do have to work from light to dark, so I've got to put the light greens in first. Then I'm going to add a little bit of warmth. It could be heather, bracken or whatever. A little light red into it. Still getting stronger and stronger in strength of colour, more concentrated, less water, more colour. Where the wet meets the dry, you can see that the colour starts cascading naturally down the mountains and gives the illusion that the mountain is standing up. Again, bring it down to the sea level.
Of course, your cottages are sort of white, aren't they? So you're going to go quite dark behind them, or
the walls are white. Yeah. I'm framing the cottages. We've got to sort of make them come forward by. In fact, when I finish this wash, I'll put some real strong dark colours in behind those cottages to frame them. There it goes. There's the darker colour. That's the burnt umber and the light red again. I'm pulling colour down. That actual hill that I'm doing now goes back a little bit. I'm just using the burnt umber and light red now, just to show some of the topography, the shape of the land behind the houses of Plockton. Again, stronger and stronger colour. Just put a little bit of ultramarine blue in there just to darken it up again.
And that really stands out against the paleness of the sky, though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, this is what, when we were there, you could see that because the light is coming up from behind those hills, it does tend to silhouette them a little bit, doesn't it? And
Yes,
it
does, yeah.
makes them darker because the light's behind it.